all my previous skills was just limited to the oil and gas industry. I wanted skills that can build a long-term career for myself.
RoboGarden has given me the opportunity to get back in and start learning the current technologies.
The way the world is moving, we're being bombarded with information, and if you have an understanding of even how information is being used on the back end of something, you'll understand the world better.
This is where industry is going, and I felt like in order for me to go back to the industry or do something different, I need to have a new skill set.
It has been a wonderful experience. I get to connect with the right people, and they help me advance my skills.
What I like about this boot camp, I have same-minded people that we all believe that data analytics and machine learning is part of our industry now, and we have to incorporate that with our domain expertise.
I know that I can use data science skills in many industries.
It's been a lot of fun. The people in the course are great. There's certainly been a lot of care provided to ensure that we can succeed, right? Lots of TA help, lots of instructor help. I'm really happy with that.
Everybody should learn how to code because I think it's the future. Even nobody, if you are a doctor, an engineer, a scientist, I don't know, even a mechanic.
Take that risk. It was worth it. It's a wonderful learning experience, so I encourage you to go for it.
I think it's worth the shot. You should go try it.
They definitely exceeded my expectations.